The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey, DynaPump, Paul Akers. I understand you've started your lean journey. I talked to Carl. You're beginning your morning meetings. You're starting to get your bathrooms and your kitchen together. You're starting to do all kinds of great stuff. And I think that is so exciting. I'm really happy to hear you're reading my book. As Carl will tell you, there's an app that you don't even have to pay any money for it. You can listen to all my books on audio, which is really, really cool. But the bottom line is, this is going to be one of the most amazing journeys of your life. Why? Because it's going to transform the way you think. You're going to be able to see waste now for the first time in everything you do, because every day, all you're doing and all I'm doing is a whole bunch of processes. This video is a process. How I take care of my garden is a process. Everything's a process, and all I'm doing is seeing the parts of the process that are cumbersome, difficult, that bug me, things like that, and I'm stopping and I'm fixing them. So you take a look at my yards. They're really unbelievable, and they almost seem insurmountable to take care of anything at this level. But it's really not. And the reason why is because I am constantly improving everything I'm doing. So when you look at the way we have our Kubota set up, we have all of our tools right on top. We even have all the tools GPS taped with green. So if I see that knife laying over there and I pick it up, or it drops out of the Kubota for some reason, I go, oh, that's green tape, that's green GPS, that goes on the green Kubota. Everything is GPS taped, including all the shovels, all the rakes, everything. Oh, look at this. I found one that I just put on. It's not GPS tape. But that would be, oh, I got to go back to the shop to do that. No, I've got the GPS tape right here, so I can make that improvement immediately to solve that problem. That's all we're doing. We're seeing the waste of every process, and instead of continuing on and working, which most people do, the lean thinker stops, makes the improvement, and then works. So that the next time they work, they're in flow. They're not struggling because the rake is where it's supposed to be. It's not lost or misplaced. The knife is where it's supposed to be. It's not lost or misplaced. This is lean thinking. This is all we're really asking anybody to do. When you do that, you got a better life, you got a better job, you got a better organization. Everything gets better. So I'm happy to hear you're on your journey. I've been to Australia so many times. I haven't been to Western Australia, and that's where I've always wanted to go, to Perth. Sometime maybe I'll see you there. Thanks a lot.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.